everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to create the girlfriend in my palm photo effect using just the Hypic app. This is a super fun illusions effect where it looks like you are holding someone right in your hand. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Hypic like this, import the photo of your palm like this, and then make sure the hand is clearly visible and has some empty space in the center because that's where we will place the subject later. Next, just tap on throw, this one, and then just select a black brush color, and then just start drawing an abstract shape right in the middle of your palm. Don't worry about being too perfect here, it's just going to act as a shadow. For example like this, and then now just lower the opacity. For example like this. This will make the effect look much more realistic once we add the subject. And then now just go to overlay and then import a photo of your girlfriend or honestly any subject that you want. It could be a group photo or even your pet. The key is that the photo should be taken from an upward or slightly top down angle so it fits naturally into your palm like this, just like this. And once you're done selecting the photo, just tap on auto select and Hypic will automatically cut out the subject from the background like this. And then just check please. And then now just resize and position the subject right above the shadow that you created earlier like this. For example like this. Just adjust the placement until it looks like they are standing or sitting in the center of your palm. You can also tweak the opacity of or contrast if you want to make it look even more blended. And okay, that's it. You have just created a girlfriend in my palm illusion photo effect in Hypic. It's super simple and fun to try. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!